you, right back of you. Over your head now, over your head. Woo-hoo-hoo. Chop him again, chop him again. Oh, okay, he's okay, he's okay. What? Hey! He drop? Drop now? Michael. Frost coming around to you. What? Oh, you know, drop. Right. Frost coming to you again. Watch him. Nice. White ground pigeon. Frost coming around. Frost coming around. Two of them. Two more over head. Ah, nice. See him there now? Nice. Get touch, you know. Can go again? Whew. Jesus, in turn. Mikey, back out now. Look in front of you, Mikey, in front of you. Or them have got them gone left. Frost, look for two of them coming around to you. Alright, two there back of him forward. Then gone wide. Frost! Oh, I guess so him probably a send. Which part of them go wide? From this side. Mikey! Again, Mikey, over your head now, over your head! See there? Ah!
Fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
So for my lovely people who are watching, this is what you call a white-winged dove. Now pay attention to the back. The wing, so you use to identify them. Right. Now pay keen attention to the back of these, because I'll show you the difference between these white wing, the paloma, and the other P-dove. Yeah, so make sure you pay attention. Right? And when they're flying as well, you can see the white on their wing. Right, when they're flying. So that's how you can spot them when flying, and if not, when they're on the ground, you can just look at them and know the difference. Come into your frost from over there. But go look a bit to your right. Frost behind you, to your right, right, over your head now, over your head. Ball plate. You see him? See him? Oh shit, didn't get up. Minute, put down the rock. Miss 2 shot. So 2 on the top. Yours. Beautiful. Overhead, overhead! Mike! Oh, well, Mike is here. You might drift to your left, look a bit. Left. Frost, watch out one behind you. Frost, behind you. Watch him. Oh, he gone straight across. That's what you call a shot. Mikey! That one. Frost, look for them. All right. Your head, Kirk. Oh, yeah, right. Nice. Coming down. That's so not. Woohoo! Woo! Yeah. That's what I look too. Yeah. Beautiful. Crab. Let's see that crab in it. Press. Look if him a circle first. Hey Kirk, come in right to me. Right to me, one ball plate. Oh no, on a ball. It's a white wing. Oh, ball plate. Frost from behind you. Overhead now. One more. Oh shit. You get shot, you know. That I got drop. See there? Start on open wing. Kirk, clear left. See man? I'm going to Frost. Yeah, get shot, you know. Hey, that get shot, you know. Hey, right back of you. Over your head now. Over your head. Woo-hoo-hoo! Chop him again. Oh, okay, he's okay. What? Hey! He drop? Drop now? Aye, aye. Bumbo clot. Oh shit, that not dropping. In drop, but. Okay, lovely. Look at that thing, God.